Today we're out here in Blanco, Texas, on the Blanco River. It's a nice day out here. It's about 80 degrees. It's April 20th. It's Easter today. I'm trying to record these fish. It's April 20th. It's Easter today. I'm trying to record these fish.
I wonder how far that thing goes. Like, these are other spots up the road too. Okay.
And while you're at it, we put one on my hook too.
They like this thing. I see them biting it. They're going crazy.
What is that? It's Kool-Aid with
It's just a sausage with Kool-Aid.
oh, sausage and Kool-Aid.
You know, it would be good to actually go out in the water with this.
Yes, that's what I was saying. Get the whole setup.
Dude, all those dragonflies just swarm. Oh, look, all the small fish are going after it already.
They just toss these worms, they basically fall apart.
Yeah, when they hit water.
Unless it was the little ones I let eat it, but I don't know if they have that big of a mouth.
We're about a mile upstream from where we just were. We're still in Blanco.
I've been watching some guys. Yeah.
This is pretty cool. I like how you just go upriver at different spots. And you can walk all the way down there too.
Okay. I'm gonna. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Worth a shot.
Yeah, no, why not? We're here.
I think I'm gonna go walk down as far as I can over there.
Okay.
Oh, did my dad catch one? I think he might have caught one. Let's see what he got. Yeah, he got one.
So they're out here. They're just small. You got the pliers?
Not too bad. Yeah, I got the pliers too.
Alright, let me get this guy out there.
All right, fishy.
Hold the pole. Let him go. Just a little guy. Big valve, mouse. He's out of there. Thanks, dude.
And if this doesn't work, maybe we could try going down that path down there.
Yeah, that's a cool spot.
They may have took a bite of him like this. Is disgusting.
They're all going after it.
Yeah.
Oh snap! She caught one.
Those are those sunfish, right?
Dude, I thought they didn't like the bug.
Mm-hmm.
So I just tossed it in the water. A big freaking.
Just ate it.
It was a meaty sucker. It wasn't big, but it was beefy. Came right out and snatched it right out of the water. I'm like, man, what a jerk.
You still see him?
Yeah, he's just doing the same patrol. There's his little buddy. His little buddy will eat this thing all day long, buddy.
Yeah, Bobby.
Right here.
It's just, he comes swimming right here. And he goes in, he's patrolling again.
He's right there. He is right there. Such a cool spot out here on the Blanco River. There's a huge fish, keeps circling on the shore. Can't catch him though. There's a huge fish right there. He's taunting us. It's like he's thinking about it. I'm hiding from this guy right now. He wants it. He wants the bait. I just saw another one swim by that was like twice the size of that fish. It was like 2 feet long. He's right next to the bait. Look how beautiful it is out here in the Texas Hill Country.
Uh-oh, they know the Larson's here.
Yeah.
I have kids. Here, I'm done.
They look skinny. Get the peanut butter jelly sandwich.
I'm done.
Make sure to get not like even. Good girl.
All in San Antonio.
No. It's like right in front of his face.
I hit him with the bait. I'll make him eat it.
Right in front of his face again.
So it brushes up against him.
The head with the bait. He won't get it.
I don't know what his deal is. He's staring at it, but he just will not take it. He's like, you're not gonna trick me, man.
I swear I hit him with it, didn't I?
I hit him with the bait. It's like his eyes, we locked eyes, man. He's sitting there looking up. I'm like, oh my god. He's playing games. Go get him, Jeff. He's right there. Go get him.